Bitcoin is right now starting to be breaking out to the upside with a price target sitting at the 107k level. Now this is happening during the course of a weekend, so we are going to need to be talking about that exactly. Because is this possibly going to be a trap, or are we headed towards our price target right now? The bullish divergence is right now starting to be playing out. All of the liquidity is still sitting at the top side, and many more things we need to discuss in today's update video. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 300 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And in that short term, the breakout is finally starting. We have been having a look into this symmetrical triangle for the last week. Also been having a look into this falling wedge pattern. Now we have already been breaking outside of this falling wedge pattern. Yesterday we just did see the retest of this breakout, but today we finally are seeing some more momentum towards the upside. Now this is also majorly because yesterday we have gotten some insane bullish news. I mean, yesterday we had this breaking news that Abu Dhabi is buying Bitcoin over here. They've been buying a lot of Bitcoin. On top of that, we have been having a lot more bullish breaking news coming out yesterday. So yeah, because of this, Bitcoin has been pushing even higher towards the upside and has been confirming these breakouts towards the upside. Now right now we are getting the breakout, but we are still trading inside of the weekend, and we do have that CME close price sitting at the 97.5k level. So yeah, consolidation at around this level, that is just going to be very likely during every single weekend. So do not get fooled. This might be a trap, which we are getting right now during the course of the weekend. Do not get to, but well, we do know that during the last few weekends, well, we have seen an insane amount of volatility. For example, during this weekend over here, we did see an insane crash towards the downside, but eventually we always do get back up to be filling up that CME gap. So yeah, do not get too worried over here. Because of our CME gap, we can easily still see a lot of volatility, although that's not going to be very likely. And if we are going to be seeing a lot of volatility, it is still just going to be very likely that we are going to be returning back towards our CME close price. Anyways, my game plan is still going to be standing, because at the one side, well, we are getting a lot of bullish info in the markets right now. We are getting these Bitcoin bullish divergences. At the same time, all of the liquidity is piling up on the top side. The Bitcoin funding rates are even still trading negative, which is a very good thing and very bullish development going on right now. The Bitcoin fear and greed index, the Bitcoin sentiment, is still trading at levels of fear, right now at levels of neutral territory, but this is generally a very bullish development because people are getting fearful, and this, while we are consolidating at these high levels over here, is making me feel very bullish. Anyways, yeah, at the other side, do still keep in mind Bitcoin is still trading inside of the lower side of this range. We are still failing to be breaking back above this level of resistance. We are also still failing to be breaking back above our EMA ribbons, still getting a lot of resistance over here. And I will still be saying, all right, if we are going to be breaking back above the EMA ribbons, that is going to be the turning point. That is going to be the flipping point where we can be going and saying, all right, right now we're definitely going to be reaching our price target towards 107k level. But that is right now not yet happening. So we still need to be having a look into what's this level of resistance. And as long as we're not going to be breaking above, well, I still do think that we're going to be trading inside of the lower side of the range over here, and we can still have a look into this level of support getting reached. So yeah, anyways, the market is at a massive decision point right now. Are we going to be breaking even higher with our bullish breakouts, which we are right now getting, or is this indeed just going to be a massive trap? Well guys, anyways, if you're going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with the first link down below, you can be claiming some insane deposit bonuses and also get a free Rolex pretty easily. All you need to do is sign up a new account with the first link down below, deposit some money, start trading with some money, and pretty easily you can already be getting all of these deposit bonuses. Now do be sure to be checking out if Blofin is going to be available in your country, because if it's not, well, Bybit is the most regulated exchange. You can be checking out Bybit, also has a $40,000 deposit bonus. Now, Bybit is the most regulated exchange, but Blofin is right now the best exchange with the biggest deposit bonuses. So make sure to be checking out either one of these. Anyways, if we're still just going to be zooming out for Bitcoin, it's still going to be looking the same. We're still just going to be waiting until eventually we are going to be breaking a higher over here. Now, history is still exactly repeating from of the previous cycle during also exactly at the same time period during January, February. And yeah, the history is exactly being repeated with this price action, which we're seeing over here. We are right now seeing the pullback towards the downside. Anyways, during the last cycle, after this pullback, we have seen an insane rally back towards the upside. So it might just be happening anytime soon once again. Anyways, Bitcoin still consolidating inside of this range over here. It's only going to be a matter of time until we're going to be breaking higher again and until we are going to be headed towards our price targets, the 146k level, that 130k level. Anyways, Ethereum, I think Ethereum is going to be the massive opportunity in the market right now. If we're comparing the Ethereum chart towards the Bitcoin chart during last cycle, it's looking absolutely the same. I think we're seeing the same opportunity, and yeah, I'm just going to be accumulating Ethereum over here. I'm going to be accumulating more altcoins. I think altcoin season is still going to be inevitable this cycle. We are right now seeing the breakdown retest for the Bitcoin dominance, and yeah, it is just going to be inevitable that we're going to be breaking down even lower for the Bitcoin dominance. It's going to be playing out in the coming few weeks to the coming few months. Patience is what's being needed. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. Guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.